Tongariro Alpine Crossing, the best hike in New Zealand's North Island. This is a 19.4 kilometer beast that takes you past Mount Doom, the Lord of the Rings, Emerald Lakes, Blue Lake, and this awesome finish through the bush. We woke up at the butt crack of dawn this morning to do the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, one of the best hikes in all of New Zealand, maybe all the world. It's over 12 miles, so you got to get a really early start, and it's a one-way trip, so you need to get a shuttle either to the start or to the end. So we did that. You get to hike by Mount Doom from Lord of the Rings. There she is. Get a better view of it in a minute. Let's go.
Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La la la.
The Tongariro Crossing starts on the first half with a 736 meter ascent to the top of the park, including the famous Devil's Staircase. Once you cross the top of the park, you have 1,200 meters to go down, so you end up at a lower elevation than you started at, but that doesn't mean you don't have a lot of climbing to do right away.
I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la.
In the middle of the Devil's Staircase. We're just coming to the end of Devil's Staircase, to the edge of the South Crater.
Devil's Staircase was pretty challenging, but it's not that long, so
You can do it.
You'll be okay.
I believe in you.
Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want.
Walking through the South Crater in the shadow of Mount Doom. Wow. South Crater up to the rim, the Red Crater, the highest point on the trail.
From there, it'll be downhill.
I don't know how to feel about it. I hope that time will show. There's something in the way that you looked upon me is telling me I should go. Yeah,
We're almost to the top. Almost fell.
I
Biggest Karen ever.
don't know how to feel about this. It all just moves so slow. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out.
We're about halfway from the summit to the Emerald Lakes. It's a slippery hike down.
But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it.
Gotta bring water.
Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
halfway through the hike about, but it's all downhill from here.
I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
Just past Ketetahi Hut. It's the last landmark on our way down. Hopefully our van is down there somewhere. 6.4 more K, and it's pretty much a straight shot there.
Finish it.
Let's talk about this pamphlet right here. We're just seeing this. Check it out. No loud music, no drones. Please pick up your waste, use the toilets, etc. Look it on the back. Put on sunblock, water. Right there. Queen's English. Please don't shit behind the rocks. Unreal.
How to feel about it? No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it? No, I don't even know how to feel.
Well, we stopped for lunch. So now is as good a time as any to go over your packing list for the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. We're going to be eating lunch, which is number 1 on the packing list. You gotta bring enough food and water for the trip. 2 liters of water per person. What'd we pack for lunch?
We got some cheese,
Chips.
bananas, Sammy, and granola.
Nice. Pretty nutritious. And then toilet paper.
There are toilets, but you never know. Never trust.
And you need this everywhere in New Zealand.
Sunscreen.
So easy to get sunburned here.
And we started with jackets on.
Oh yeah.
Ended up taking those off. No, it's really hot.
That's all you need. And a camera. Make sure to bring a camera. A lot of good photo ops.
And a good attitude.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget
Smile.
your good attitude.
Thank you so much for watching this video on the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, 19.4 kilometers, and the very best hike in New Zealand's North Island. Please subscribe, like, comment, all of it. Back to the van.
There she is.
Wow, the prettiest
Little
van
Fran, she's
on the
looking
block.
good.
Home sweet home.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. It's located in the top left corner of
Right
your
around
screen.
here somewhere.
It's a circle with our faces in it. Hit that button.
And check out any of these other videos, or please check out our channel for more. We love it. We love you. Have a good day.